Industrial membrane permeating carrier. The cutting and welding machine delivers high-precision fabrication for industrial membrane components. It ensures end-to-end accuracy with plus or minus 1 millimeter. Cumulative error is less than or equal to 1 millimeter across stacking spacings of 4 to 30 millimeters. The system automates cutting, ultrasonic welding, forming, and finished product handling. Featuring a receiving tray can receive 5 groups of welded carriers, calculated by 25 leaves of 8,040 membrane. Servo-driven mode with tooling operation guarantees consistent industrial membrane products rolling quality, while it adopts touchscreen and PLC control system with human-machine interface, foot switch control, and other facilities to ensure the safe operation and easy use of the machine. The whole machine is reasonably designed and equipped with 4 ultrasonic welding heads. If you want to know more, please contact us freely.